Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 1st of November 2016, and we are commenting on Donald Trump's favorite media device, Twitter, and our favorite online store, Amazon, and the lessons they may teach us for gold and silver investing. Twitter is an online news and social networking service where users post and read short 140-character messages called tweets. Users access Twitter through the website interface, SMS, or mobile device app. Twitter Inc. is based in San Francisco and has more than 25 offices around the world. Twitter was created in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone, and Evan Williams, and launched in July, whereby the service rapidly gained worldwide popularity. Some interesting stats provided by statisticbrain.com. Total number of registered Twitter users, 695,750,000. Total number of active Twitter users, 342 million. Number of new Twitter users signing up every day, 135,000. Number of unique Twitter site visitors every month, 195 million. Average number of tweets per day, 58 million. And number of Twitter search engine queries every day, 2.1 billion. Well, it was announced today that Twitter shall be axing about 350 of its 3,860 jobs worldwide, approximately 9%, as it has been losing money amid competition from the likes of Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram, and so far has failed to find a buyer. Although revenues in the third quarter were up 8% on last year at $616 million, the firm still made a net loss of $102 million, which admittedly was an improvement on last year's loss of $132 million for the same period. Chief Executive Jack Dorsey has revealed that the company will spend between $10 million and $20 million on restructuring. The company is also planning to concentrate on live video, aiming to be the go-to place for real-time opinions. Amazon is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company with headquarters in Seattle, Washington. It was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos. It is the largest internet-based retailer in the world by total sales and market capitalization. Amazon.com started as an online bookstore, later diversifying to sell what is now a vast range of goods and services, including consumer electronics, and is the world's largest provider of cloud infrastructure services. In 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the United States by market capitalization, and is, as of the third quarter of 2016, the fourth most valuable public company. In the first quarter of this year, Amazon reported a profit of $513 million with sales of $29.1 billion. In the second quarter of this year, Amazon reported an $857 million profit, compared with $92 million a year earlier. Sales rose to $30.4 billion from $23.19 billion. In the third quarter, announced last week, figures did disappoint. However, with sales at $32.7 billion and profits at $252 million. Nevertheless, 6 straight quarters of profits have now been declared. Some of our listeners may be asking, why are we covering this topic? We do so for 2 reasons. One, it may actually prove interesting to some. But 2, it supports a view which some of us as traditional bankers and financiers have held for a long time. Business investment is a long-term affair. Amazon took almost 20 years to make a profit. Twitter has been going for 10 years and has been moving in the right direction, even though it is still making a loss. Facebook too took a number of years to be profitable, but in fairness advanced more rapidly. This long-term investment ethos is how the Chinese invest, and so do the likes of the Buffetts of this world. We apply the same thinking to our precious metals investment portfolio. We often hear people say, quote, "I'm investing in gold and silver because very soon prices will explode through the roof," unquote. This may indeed happen, but realistically you should consider it as a hedge against currency devaluation and as a long-term investment. As we know, both gold and silver are relatively scarce commodities, and silver in particular has moved into production deficit compared to demand. Taking a 20-year view, it is a logical investment, and we urge our listeners to take the same view. If it rises sooner, great. If it doesn't, it's no problem, as our expectations were not inflated in the first place. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.